Hi friends. Today we'll be looking into a problem which I was facing recently and I could not find a solution for it. So after doing a very long research, I found this solution. So this is a solution for a problem to clean our Mac, and one of the main problem that I was not able to solve was this other space, like 54.73 GB of space that I have is in others tab and I cannot access it. You can access your systems occupied space, you can access documents, you can access your apps, but this is very secret storage that we have. So that I managed to look into, and I was able to remove the unwanted files that were there in this. So like there are a lot of softwares out there which claims to do Mac cleanup properly, but until you buy their premium subscription. So this method that I'm going to show you is like totally free. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So there's this software, Omni Disk Sweeper. It's free. I'll mention the a link for this software in the description. All you have to do is select the hard disk that you have, not the hard disk, SSD that you have in your Mac. It's Macintosh SD for me. Once you'll double click on that, it'll start sizing. You'll have to wait for this to complete, sizing to complete. It'll take some time. Alright, so once the sizing part is done, so mine is done. It's the total size that my files are occupying is currently 80 GB. So if you'll go ahead and delete any softwares from your this usual method, like going to applications and deleting any software just by sending it to trash, there would be some supporting files that won't be deleted. Something like if I'll go into libraries, there would be a lot of cache which I've currently deleted. But also you can find a lot of, so there would be a lot of softwares here that I have deleted but would have their cache files here. This libraries have 8.8 GB of cache, so I can go ahead and delete yarn. This is like the cache that I use for my development, so you can go ahead and delete it. So like you can go ahead and delete all these individual caches, and this would free up a lot of space on your hard disk, again SSD, sorry. So also, to delete any file, what you have to do is just navigate to the file, so if you want to go to desktop, you can like directly click on this and it will open up the desktop directory, and if you can delete the files in it. Otherwise you can do is what you can do is like directly click on the, so I'll delete a file here just for an example. I'll delete this script.sh, right? You just have to tap on trash and it'll be deleted. For some files it won't be deleted just because it requires root permission. So what you can do is like click on this folder icon, and then it'll open up the whole directory, and then you can manually delete it from there. So that's the deleting part. Alright, this is one way. Again, you can similarly you can look into other directories also. You have systems. While going into systems, you have to be very careful because these are all the system files. So if you're deleting something, you have to be very sure about like if that's the correct file that you want to delete. So you have to be very sure of it. So yeah, this was one of the way wherein you can delete the files that are occupying space but are not usable. So I was not able to find this way, and it really helped me free up a lot of space on my hard disk, again SSD. So let me know if this helped you out. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.